Hi guys, today myself Chiku Agrawal and my crew members Anuj, Vikas, Arman, Prashant and Atif are going to take you through a very common topic which we have heard everywhere but none of you have ever shown to make anything on it: non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication simply implies symbolic behaviors which includes all type of communication except words. It is rightly said by Peter F. Drucker that the things which you have to hear isn't rightly said by another person. Non-verbal communication is a type of communication in which action speaks louder than words. It represents the emotional and other relationship aspects of a common person. It is of various kinds, simply like kinesthetics, proxemics, and paralanguage. Now we move on to Anuj, who will take you through the topic proxemics.
Now let me brief our posture. Posture is a position of person's body when sitting and standing. It gives signal enduring characteristics of a person. Research have shown that body posture reflects one emotion directly. So therefore, one posture should be dynamic and strong to have a good impression. It is also affected by individual body type. There are three types of postures: standing postures, sitting postures, and hand movement. Now let me take you to some of the common postures. Hand on hips. Second, sitting cross-legged means nervous. Third, sitting apart means relaxed. Fourth, arm crossed on chest means defensive. Fifth, hands in pocket, shoulder hunched. Now Vikas will take you further.
Facial expression literally means one or more motions or positions of the muscles beneath the skin of the face. But on the emotional level, it depicts the whole story of the person's state and its mood. For example, simply blinking rate of the eyes indicates whether the person is nervous or not. Now I will take you through some facial expressions such as angry means lower eyebrow, stare in intensity. Surprise means wide open eyes, open mouth. Happiness, raised cheek and smile. Bold means tired face. Evil means downward slanting eyebrows. Now I will take it further to Arman.
Gestures. Gestures are some of the most direct and obvious body signals, as gestures convey message through a bodily action. Gesture significant aspect of modern communication and relationship depend on a sole use of gesture. Also, management and leadership skills are truly reflected in a person's gesture. Some of example which we used in a daily life, like single hand to stop someone or like time out, as we know all. But sometimes gesture can be misinterpreted due to a cultural innovation, such as clenched fist can indicate an anger in India and a solidarity in UK. Okay sign in India, nothing in Europe. Now Prashant will take you further on a topic of proximity.
Proxemics means interrelated observation and theories of man's use of space as a specialized elaboration of culture. It is generally categorized into two things: territory, that to which we lay claim; personal space, that which we carry with us. We can determine the type of proxemics between two persons by just noticing the distance between them. First is 16 inches to 18 inches, that is intimate, which reflects embarrassing, touching, whispering. Second is 4 feet, that is personal, good friends or with the family members. Third one is 4 feet to 12 feet, social distance, interaction among business people. 12 feet, which is public interaction. Now Atif will take you further on the topic of paralanguage.
Component of meta communication that modify or nuance meaning or convey emotions such as pitch, volume, prosody. There are no alternate or speech signals that lack paralinguistic properties. Pitch. Pitch simply means how high or low the sound of voices are. Second, voice quality. It simply defines the quality of voice. Third, pronunciation. Pronunciation simply means how we pronounce or speak some things. Some general examples are crying, which implies someone is unhappy, laughing, which shows happiness. Now I will hand over to Chiku, who will end up further.
I hope we and my friends have made you well accustomed with the various axioms of non-verbal communication which plays a pivotal role in one's man's life success. So, at the end, I would like to sum it up with a single line that non-verbal communication is a kind of communication in which there are things that you don't say about you, but they say a lot about you. So, at the very least, we will like to play an act from one of the famous cartoon character who is known for his expression, Mr. Bean. Let's see what he has to say about it.